citizenship back in action. The Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA) is about to make a comeback. It was forgotten for some time thanks to COVID-19. It is almost a year now that the bill was passed and enacted. There was lots of hue and cry about the act. The bill was passed in the Rajya Sabha on December 11th. The President Ramnath Kovind gave assent to the bill in December, making it a Pakka Act. Hindus, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains, Parsis and Christians who come from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan till 2014 end are eligible for citizenship. But the law excludes Muslims. This provoked the Muslims. The Indian Union Muslim League approached the Apex Court for a stay. The party opposed the exclusion of Muslims from its benefits of getting citizenship. Sooner, both LDF and UDF also came up with their opposition. Pinarayi was forced to move in the Apex Court against it. The Kerala government wanted the Supreme Court to declare the contentious legislation as unconstitutional. The Kerala Assembly had resolved against the bill in December last. Moving the bill, Pinarayi said BJP was executing RSS agenda. He alleged that the proposed legislation would divide the nation communally. The Assembly observed that CAA is a violation of the fundamental right of equality. No wonder the government moved the Supreme Court in January. Pinarayi said the proposed law would amount to rejection of secularism. But the Kerala governor did not subscribe to the government's view. He said the issue was a central subject. The governor expressed his displeasure against the state's move. The Pinarayi government wanted the Apex Court to nullify the amendments made by the centre. They included the Passport and Foreigners Act amendment. Kerala, barring the BJP, alleged that the amendments violated Article 14, 21 and 25 of the Constitution. But the Supreme Court denied to hear the lone plea of Kerala. More petitions were filed by various political parties and religious organizations. These were all amidst uproarious agitations all across the country. The anti-CAA agitation spread like forest fire. The Apex Court last day observed against public protests. Right to protest is not absolute. Protest can be done peacefully. It should not hinder the freedom of others for free movement. The court had on August 30th asked the centre to file a statement on CAA in 4 weeks' time. Now, it is any time now that the Apex Court will resume its hearing on CAA and National Population Registry. The battlefield will be opened up once again. Come October, things will get going all again. Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.